Love and grace of Ma Durga welcomes you all to connect to your inner power. A journey towards soulful healings and reflections.
Jai Mata Didi. So my question is that how to move on and how to accept the past कि जो हो गया है वो हो चुका है, and like whenever I feel moving on, the past comes and just throws all the memories I've been spent with my ex. So दिस मेक्स मी ब्रोकन. सो हाउ कैन आई मूव ऑन कि हाँ आगे और अच्छा होगा, ऐसा मैं सोच ही नहीं सक रही हूँ इस वजह से, क्योंकि पास्ट जितना अच्छा था पास्ट से ज़्यादा अच्छा कुछ नहीं होगा. लाइक हाउ टू थिंक लाइक दैट द फ्यूचर में बहुत अच्छा होगा और जो प्रेजेंट है वो भी अच्छा है. लाइक आई एम फीलिंग बिट्रेड, जैसे बिट्रे मेरे साथ हुआ है, मेरे को इग्नोर किया जा रहा है. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ हाउ टू यू नो इफ था. सो हाउ कैन आई एक्सेप्ट दैट जो हो गया वो हो गया है एंड नाउ मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगी.
Firstly, dear, I'd like to thank you for having the strength to ask this question. Your question will help heal and inspire many. Firstly, dear, you need to understand that whatever has happened in the past, it's happened. It cannot be changed. But now your perspective can change. Dear, I really don't know what happened between you guys personally, but I'm just going to talk here in general terms, right? And since you said that this person is ignoring you, you need to first understand, are they really ignoring you? Or is it that they are trying to be distant? Dear, never force anybody to be in your life. That's what I feel. The right ones who love you will stay no matter what. And the ones who have to leave will definitely leave, because they will only see one reason to go away from your life. But believe me, take this as a blessing. Everything happens for a deeper reason, dear. As God puts people in our life for a reason and removes people from our lives also for a far better reason. Yes, I totally agree, dear. Betrayal is the worst feeling in the world anybody can experience. Yes, because it hurts when someone betrays your trust. Someone whom you have been very close to, may it be a friend, a lover. Time can heal physical wounds for sure. But whereas emotional wounds are concerned, as emotional wounds are self-inflicted, this means that one actually has to take responsibility and accept that they want to change, that yes, they want to heal. Dear, you may be a victim, but if you want to continuously play that victim, you will remain unhappy, which obviously even you don't want, right? There is something that I want to tell you, dear, that the path to get over someone differs from person to person. Dear, a heartbreak can happen anytime and with anybody. May it be in anybody's case. It can be with a lover, it can be with a friend. And believe me, both are equally painful. But what I want to tell you is that there are certain things that you can try and do. Firstly, I want you to forgive yourself. Don't hold on to any form of guilt. If you want to cry and write something out, please do that.
Forgive the one you love, because that speaks about your love for them.
So if you want to forgive someone, this goes for everyone, including me, and believe me, I've tried this. Remember the good memories you had with this person together. Maybe it was also karmic that you met and there was a clearing. That had to happen. When we turn bitter, we ourselves stop the flow of love and abundance in our lives. Dear, you say that your past was beautiful. कि आपका जो बीता हुआ कल था, पास्ट था, वो बहुत सुंदर था, और आपको लगता है कि आगे ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा. I want to ask you something, and that is that मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपको पहले से ही पता था? Did you know that this is going to happen with you in your past? कि आपके साथ ऐसा होगा? No ना कि आपको पता था कि आप इस इंसान को मिलेंगे, that you will meet this person and then there's going to be something beautiful happening, कि कुछ अच्छा relationship होगा? No, right? So this was unexpected and unplanned, right? अचानक से हुआ. So that means that there is a divine timing for everything whom we meet and everything that happens with us. तो जब आपका पास्ट अच्छा हो सकता था, तो आपका फ्यूचर अच्छा क्यों नहीं हो सकता? क्योंकि आप जज कर रहे हैं, कि आप इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि नहीं आगे नहीं होगा. So since you say that your past was really extremely nice with this person and you're afraid that how will your future go, who are you to judge all that? Maybe God has in store something very nice for you. Love yourself. If you were at fault somewhere, accept it. Promise yourself that you would not be making the same mistake again with someone else. In my book Love and Grace of Ma Durga, it's very clearly mentioned that guilt is a tool to move forward in life. It's not something that stumbles you, because every mistake has a lesson hidden in it, and that makes our soul grow. Now coming back to you, dear, as you said that all your past memories come in front of your eyes and you can't move on, right? And that you feel broken. Now you have to understand, dear, where is this coming from? It is coming from your inside. Yes, it is coming from your mind. So every time you think about your past, thank it. Thank the divine. Thank that person. Thank that lesson. And you also say that you feel broken. Now this is a mental state, my dear. Have self-dignity. Don't let others take you for granted. And stay away from toxic people. No one can actually hurt you, emotionally, until and unless you take it all in and believe those people. And this is just not for you. This goes for everybody else, including me. So dear, stop pitying yourself. Life is full of compromises and choices. Always remember, when one door closes, another opens. This challenge in your life maybe has come to shake you up. Always remember that it's very easy for us to love those who love us, and extremely difficult for us to bless those who hurt us. Stay blessed and stay in your strength. Try to rebuild a new you. Keep the faith and love alive in you. Lastly, I would like to say, just like pain and sadness comes into our lives, similarly happiness and love also comes into our lives. We simply need to keep our eyes and hearts open.
Just live for today. Do what your heart tells you to. Take small steps and leave the rest. Love and light to each one of you. Anyone who wants to ask a question, kindly directly message me on Love and Grace of Ma Durga. Your question may help heal and inspire someone else too.